Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is Airdrop listing update. How to connect your Bitget exchange to your Airdrop. If today is the first time of coming across my video, you are welcome. Please do well to like, share and subscribe, and also join my WhatsApp group where I share updates. So here is the latest update. They say Zoo and Bitget. The perfect moment has arrived to announce the exchanges where Zoo will be traded. First up, Bitget. Register using the link or enter the referral code. Complete the KYC process. Don't forget, the listing is on February 25th at 12 o'clock UTC. Sign up now and get ready for trading to begin. So this is their update. So right now, Zoo will be listed on Bitget Exchange. So let's go to Bitget Exchange and I will guide you on how to connect your Bitget to your Zoo airdrop. So right here on the Bitget exchange, make sure you use exchange, not wallet. You click over to this section that said add funds, tap on it. Now you click on deposit crypto. You're going to deposit your crypto using Bitget. So right here we're going to search for Zoo. Tap on it. Then search for Zoo. So over here you can now see Zoo. Tap on it. Wait for it to load. Okay, so right here is your deposit address. When the page opens for us to deposit our Zoo, you copy your deposit address. The network is turned, so it doesn't have any memo because it's turned. So once you copy it, you go back to your Zoo bot, then you place the withdrawal, and automatically you will receive your Zoo tokens on Bitget exchange. E don pass like this. If you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and also join my WhatsApp group where I share updates. Thank you guys and see you guys in my next video.